Today, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to edit your writing like a pro. Whether you're working on an essay, a blog post, or a novel, ChatGPT can help you refine your text and make it shine. Let's dive right in. For this video, let's say we have a blog post that I'm working on right here and needs polishing for grammar, style, and tone. The first step is to copy your text and head over to ChatGPT right here. Make sure you have your text ready and organized. Let's say we'll demonstrate with the introduction of our blog post right here. Simply Ctrl plus Shift, or you can just right-click, then copy. Now, let's head this over to ChatGPT. Then paste your text right here in the input. Now, let's start with the basics, grammar and spelling. Paste your selected text section into ChatGPT right here, then give it a clear instruction. For example, you can type right here, like, please correct any grammar and spelling mistakes in the following text. My apologies right here. Let me just corrected everything. And here we go. Now, let's hit enter and see how ChatGPT would respond to this one. So as you'll see right here, ChatGPT will process the request and provide a corrected version. Review the suggestions and make any necessary changes. You can see that it corrected your right here, whether your to your right here, then different here and right here. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's work on improving the style and tone. You can ask ChatGPT to rewrite your text with a specific style in mind. Type something like, can you rewrite this paragraph to make it more engaging and professional? There we go. Then paste your text right here. This is a different paragraph this time, which is the one that I copied from the blog post draft right here. Then, till then, ChatGPT will offer a revised version. Here we go. Now compare it with the original and decide which elements you want to keep. This step can involve some back and forth to get the tone just right. Notice how the revised version sounds more engaging and professional right here. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. For more substantive edits, such as improving clarity and flow, you can provide more specific instructions to ChatGPT. This is especially useful for making your writing more engaging and easier to understand. For instance, you might type in this input right here, like, please rewrite this section to improve clarity and make the ideas flow better. There we go. Then followed by your text right here based on what you selected. Here we go. Remember, ChatGPT suggestions can help streamline your writing, making it more coherent and easier to read. But let's see what ChatGPT suggests based on what I input right here. Here we go. You can see how the revised version is clearer and flows better. With clear and specific instructions, ChatGPT can significantly enhance the clarity and flow of your writing, making it more engaging and easier to read. Finally, let's add some finishing touches. This step is all about making sure that our text right here is polished and ready for publication. To do this, we'll ask ChatGPT for a final review of the entire text. Why don't you type or put together this prompt, for instance? Please review the entire text for any remaining improvements in clarity, style, and tone. Then, followed by your revised text, which is actually the one that ChatGPT had generated for you. So, let's see. You can either copy the paragraph right here, then paste it in the input, or you can just select this text, then this will pop up, click reply, and there we go. It is now highlighted for ChatGPT to understand better, to generate based on what you put up right here in your prompt input right here. Then let's hit send. As you can see right here, the text now feels friendly and approachable, making it more engaging for the reader. Remember, the goal of this final step is to make your writing as polished and reader-friendly as possible. With these finishing touches, your writing is now ready to be published or submitted. This comprehensive review process with ChatGPT ensures that your text is not only grammatically correct, but also clear, engaging, and polished. And there you have it. Using ChatGPT to edit your writing can save you a ton of time and help you achieve a professional finish.